Hi friends, this is Priyanka. So today I'm going to discuss with you about the class 12 economics syllabus breakdown and the pattern of the exam module as prepared by me. So as you can see, the economics paper of CBSE board as per the academic session 2021-22 has been divided into two parts. First part is theory, which is of 80 marks, and practical of 20 marks. Now this theory part I'm coming back to in a while. So first, if you can see the practical of 20 marks, here we have four constituents. First is the viva, which is constituting of 8 marks. Then it would be relevance as per the project or the file work. Then it's research work and the presentation. So basically, if you see, I have made it as this of 12 marks, which is basically, in my words, known as file work. Now coming back to the viva, this is the part which we have to actually be presenting in front of the external examiner, whosoever it be. So coming back to the theory part of 80 marks once more, as you can see very well, this is divided into equal parts of 40 marks for part A, macroeconomics, part B, Indian economic development. Now let us see what part A macroeconomics of 40 marks needs to provide us. So as you can see in my next slide, the macroeconomics of 40 marks has been divided along with its marks and unit. So the first unit is of 10 marks, which is of national income and related aggregates. Unit 2, money banking. Unit 3, determination of income and employment. Unit 4, government budget and the economy. Unit 5, BOP and foreign exchange. So the marks are given 10, 6, 12, 6 and 6. Next, we will talk about the Indian economic development, which is again of 40 marks, having unit 6, 7 and 8 respectively. For unit number 6, it is of 12 marks, development experience and economic reforms since 1991. Considering unit 7, which is actually of 22 marks, this is a unit considering of 6 total chapters, that is current challenges facing Indian economy. Coming back to the last, unit 8, considering 6 marks, this is development experience of India. So this is our entire syllabus, which is actually known as the theory part. This part is actually in total 40 plus 40 equals to 80 marks. And the rest part, as I've already discussed with you earlier, this is practical of 20 marks.